In order to develop advanced reports, we need to develop something called a runner class. A runner class enables us to execute one or more feature files. Inside our runner class, we add specific syntax which enables us to also add further functionality. For example, we can target specific feature files or steps, but at the same time we can also develop advanced reports. As you can see from the following example, the following code will enable us to develop a HTML report detailing the specific outcome of our test cases. For example, whether a test has passed or whether a specific test has failed. We can also produce JSON files with the test outcome, which therefore can be fed into other systems which have the capability of reading JSON files. You can also add and develop greater functionality by adding further external resources. As you can see from the following, you can see a more advanced and user-friendly report which was developed using Extend reports. So all you need to do is add the following code to your runner class, and in turn you'll be able to develop a report which is more visually appealing.